back to our channel. My name is Teacher Smith, and today we are going to understand a very interesting topic. The name of the topic is calendar problems. Now, to understand this topic well, I have taken a question from the past year of SASMO. Let's have a look. Here the question is, how many days are there in a month that begins on Saturday and ends on Sunday? So here I'm going to find out if there is a day that starts on Saturday. So on Sunday, if it ends, how many days will be there? If I just think. The question is about the days in a month. Firstly, I want to ask you, have any one of you have seen a calendar before? Now you might have seen a calendar before. Now in a calendar, if there is a month that starts with 1, is it always on Saturday? Let's check here. Now, this is a calendar for this year's, that is 2026 January. Check the first date. The first date, is it on Saturday? No, it's on Wednesday. Check February. The first is on Saturday. Check the March. It's on Saturday. Check the next one. The first is on Tuesday. Check the week. The first is on Thursday. Check June. The first is on Sunday. So, regarding the first day of the month, is it fixed? No, it can be any day from this. So, it can be any day from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, all these days can be changed. But which part remains the constant? Which part remains the same? Check here. See, the first day may change any day. But the only thing that remains the same is the days in a week. In a week, there are how many days? Perfect. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are just 7 days in a week. Now, this thing cannot be changed. So, even if you observe, 1 is on Tuesday, the next Tuesday, the day will be 8. Now, 1 and 8. From 1 to 8, how many days have been passed? Oh, for every week, there's just 7 days that are passed. So from 1 to 8, it's plus 7. How about 8 to 15? Oh, plus 7. How about 15 to 22? Plus 7. How about 20 to 29? Plus 7. Not just here. Let's say if I start with the 7. Now, the next day of the week is 14. Again, plus 7. 21. Plus 7. 28 plus 7. So, if you want to find for the same day the exact new days, we just have to keep on adding 7. So, here in calendar problems, if I want to summarize, here there are 7 days in a week, and if you want to get to the next date of the same day, just add 7. Now, let's just have a look at our question. In our question also there is a calendar. So the first thing, instead of visualizing, draw it out. When you draw it out, it becomes very easy for us to see. Now the question says, it begins on Saturday. Begins on Saturday. This means Saturday is which day? Oh, it's the first day. So here, can write down 1. But it should end on Sunday. So if it ends on Sunday, I have to find out how many days. So if 1 is Saturday, what is Sunday? Oh, it's at the next day, that is 2. So instead of writing completely 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, will take us a lot of time. The best thing is just see the next day. So from 2 to get to the next day, how much I have to add? Oh, very good, just 7. So here, adding 7, 2 plus 7, how much? Oh, it's just 9. From 9, get to the next day, how much I have to add? Again, add 7. 9 plus 7, how much? Yeah, it's just 16. Very good, very fast. How about for the next day, if I just add 7? Perfect. 16 plus 7. And what is the answer? Very good, very fast. It's just 23. And from 23, how to get to next one? How much I have to add? Perfect, just 7. And 23 plus 7 is how much? Yes, that's the final answer. That is 30. So yeah, if there is the first day that is Saturday and if it ends on Sunday, this means it should have 30 days. Can it have the next one? Should I add 7? Why? Because here, for every month, it can be the 28, 30 or 31 days. It's not possible to have more than 31. So yeah, this is the final answer. So there's things to understand. In calendar problems, if you're not sure, then the first thing is you draw it up. Second, the 7 days in the week remains constant. And third, to get to the next day, add 7 every time. Now, if you have understood this question well, you can try this practice. You can pause the video, do the question, and can let me the answers in the comment box. Or if you have any other doubts apart from this question, scan this QR code. Here, this is a QR code to contact me, and this is our group QR code. You can join the group and get more events and materials from our group. For now, I'm Teacher Smith signing off right now. I'll see you in the next video.